Hi, I'm Twinkle Sharma. I am back to teach you another concept. Earlier we have learnt about notes. Today we learn about coins. Before starting the activity, we need to keep these things in mind. Coins of 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee, 20 rupee are required. Current level of the child needs to be assessed before starting the activity. The child should be able to identify numbers up to 20 and be able to distinguish the coin from other metal objects. Level 1. Start with the 1 rupee coin. Show the coin to the child, then point towards the number and tell the value. Keep the coin on the table. Ask the child to pick up the 1 rupee coin from the table. Level 2. Put 2 coins of 1 rupee and 5 rupee on the table. Then ask the child to pick up the 1 rupee coin. Level 3. Put 3 coins of 1 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupee, asking the child to pick up the 1 rupee coin. If the child is not successfully able to identify the 1 rupee coin in any of the levels, go back to its previous level and repeat from there again. If child is successfully able to identify, repeat level 3 by swapping the placement of the coins. Repeat all the steps with the 2 rupee coin, then 5 rupee, 10 rupee and 20 rupee coin.